Guys, I'm a teacher for a day and I'm already going crazy. Yes, it does. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Woo! It's a celebration today, guys. We have bubbles in the cars. We have kids in the car. Jamir, no more bubbles, bruh. I have to let them out. I'm gonna let them through the window. Jamir, stop. Jamir, that's very distracting. You cannot distract mommy while she's driving. Alright, don't know Jamir, don't. So for Vlogmas Day 14, we are taking Javi to his class party. I'll also be helping out for the day. I did volunteer my services to help out for the day. They do have like a little devotional before the actual class party starts. I'm gonna drop him off for his devotion. Then I'm gonna drop off Jamir. I have a small stop to make at my shipping company, so I'm gonna do that in the meantime and then head back to Javi for his, the commencement of the day's activities. Javi, are you excited for your class party? It's also his last day of school. So are you excited for your last day of school? Yeah. He has been nagging me all day. When's the last day of school? When is Christmas? And you know how kids are. You can't tell them nothing festive and not expect them to continuously remind you. So don't do that. Jamir has his carol service tomorrow. Plus he has regular school on Friday. Don't ask me why. I don't know why they never just done school Friday and then him having fun day next week. Don't ask me why. But depending on how it goes, he may not go to school next week. Might just go for the fun day and that's it. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Go on, sir. Jamir, is that a part of your outfit? A car? Can you take it off? So you're wearing that to school? Okay, well, you're the teacher this morning. It's out of my hands. What else you have to do? You need to put all of those things.
Mommy, what are you doing?
Guys, I am on. I'm killing me on one bar, but this car has been acting weird because I'm on one bar. The gas light is on, but it's not showing me my range. That's weird. That's suspicious, because I don't know how far this can carry me. I'll just not ask you. Yeah, they fastened my gas thing, my bars, the display on the dashboard. They fastened up on the dashboard because it not show me the bars. My gas light on, but it not show me the kilometers I have with that amount, I guess.
Please check to ensure that you have enough.
Oh my God. Can anything else go wrong? Like my credit run out. I have credit on the phone here now. Just the phone here, I don't have credit on. See my car, my back.
If you see something on it like when I might want it up like I kind of like a spindle, like on a long straight thing where you can like press down.
Where? Press down where?
Near the dash.
Near the dash. A thing for press down.
One long spindle. Like a long.
Oh, yeah, see. Okay. Sorry, never mind. But I also can't just work with this, but no, based on all of the stuff, so I go to the shipping company after this. Then I go back to Javi's school. Hopefully I can leave by 12, go back home.
So where you now?
Just drop off Jamir, but they just outside.
The application available.
Oh, okay, not bad. The breakfast is on the counter. You just have to go make the local energy drink. But the iron a shirt, but the iron a yellow shirt. I don't know if you want to wear that. Alright, look later. Thank you. I'm just a girl in the world. And that's all that you let me be. Cause I'm not know about the car. But yeah, there's a little stick that you can press to see all of the info that you want to see as it relates to your gas. What is this called, yeah? I honestly don't even know. Don't ask me. I don't know about car. Alright, let's go. I'm hungry and I need gas. AC, please don't stress me out this morning. To me, I turn on AC, I'm not even have gas. Lord help me. So I go to the gas station. There is a little deli at the gas station, so I see if I can get some breakfast in there. I don't feel for not much. Usually I get their porridge, but I don't think I feel for them porridge. Them porridge too thick, like it doesn't have any little liquid in the porridge. Like I just beer clumps me at you, like I don't like that. So I see if I can get no in there stuff to eat. Probably an orange juice. Then head to the shipping company, then get back to Javi's car to help them set up. So yeah, that's about it. So let's go. Day 14, day 14, day 14, day 14, day 14. I can't even fling my shoulder on my own stage. Listen, let's pack this up. Then I have ackee, stew chicken, rundown cold food curry chicken, dumpling, no fritters today. You have fritters? Check as well. Got myself some OJ, so country style orange juice, and I prefer this over the fresh because I think this tastes fresher than the fresh. The fresh kind of have a little tangy thing to it. The fresh kind of thick and sweet. I also got their famous fritters, like they're known for their fritters, always bomb. Them do Johnny cake too, but never wanna know that this morning. The saltfish fritters is crispy, just the way I like it. Like if my saltfish fritters not bun up or crunchy, I don't want it. This is breakfast for the morning. The pump full up, guys. So let's grab a quick bite before I'm gonna get the gas, and then we can just whip it out. But this is bomb. It's hot though. I don't know to hold it. Hot. Hear that? 10 out of 10. Give me 12 more of these. So they're on the second floor. Ooh, love the signage. No buzzer, just push to enter. Good morning. No problem. So morning, guys. I'm here to love the new space. Where you hide from the camera from? I love it.
Thank you.
It's so nice, better than the one. Even though that was okay, but
It was going closer to the gym.
so true. So we have to just walk over. It's like 2 or 3 minutes away.
Yeah.
We have to walk over, but that's fine. Guys, you can check them out on Instagram. It's CGL Couriers. This one, I'm telling you, so them get my packages to me like in a couple of days. Talk about it.
That's right.
How many packages I have today? 2? What's my total? I'm gonna have my credit today. Murder. So after all them big up, them gonna get little credits. Talk to me, what you can do for me today? What you are run go? Hey, him can run, you see? The other day I come, but them say it was a day off. You weren't there, but them they have a bag of packages over there. Me look at me and say, yo, the space really not over the space. Only if you get the email and say when they move. I said, well, I'm glad they didn't go far still. From there, if I go far, they go there. But I love the new space, girl. You good though? I'm good. The gym, look at that, the gym. Again. But because it wouldn't make sense in December. It would not make any sense. I'm not going there for like half of the month. It has been very busy. It's a busy month. Just go to bother. I'm gonna eat up the bag of food. So please just come back January. Fresh. This is Aisha, guys. When you come and see JL, ask PR, she'll take care of you.
That's right.
So guys, I got my 2 little packages. But I want to do a little unboxing for you guys, you know. Should I do a little car unboxing? Good morning. Maybe, because the stuff that I ordered, I'll have a dedicated video that I want to do. So maybe just stay posted and I'll do this little unboxing. Guys, I honestly don't know what Good Molecules sent me. Maybe I need to open the box and find out. So let's do that. As me come out of the car, guys, the first thing I do, I lock my door. You have to be vigilant in these streets, right? As a lady, right? You never know who is lurking. You never know who will watch you. We literally have to protect yourself out in these streets. So first time I come in, I lock my door. But before me even come out the car, I kind of like scope out the scenery, check any cars that's beside me, because you never know who might in the car, because there's literally a car beside me right now. I can't see from the side, but when I come down the stairs, I could have see through the front windshield. So you just have to be vigilant as ladies and, you know, just protect ourselves, because anything can happen. It's the Christmas season, you know, a bag of madness always going on close to the time. You're like, people getting kidnapped, people getting robbed. You never know, you can never be too careful. So I implore you all, females, males, everybody, listen. I'm not just come here and talk for the ladies, I have to talk for the men too, because their lives matter as well. So just be careful out there, guys. It's a festive season. Just try to be alert, try to be, you know, aware of your surroundings. Some people don't have any spatial awareness. I was like that once, but after hearing a bunch of horror stories, listen, I'm paranoid bad. So that's about it. I got my packages. I don't know what Good Molecules could have sent me, and I literally just hosted a giveaway, right? I just hosted a giveaway now. At the time, like, obviously I have more skincare stuff, but at the time of choosing my winners, I only had the facial cream. So maybe I could add this little Good Molecules, whatever it is. The back money, man. It's to Mr. So maybe I could go ahead and add this little Good Molecules to it. I have to check and see what it is first, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Oh crap, there's a supermarket out here that I wanted to stop by now, because remember yesterday, guys, well, yesterday for me, but probably 2 days ago for you, because I do take breaks on Saturday, so just so you guys can catch up. So the last vlog, I went to the supermarket trying to find minced beef to make Jameer's spaghetti and meatballs. I couldn't find any, because apparently minced beef is in high demand. As you go up on the shelf, it fly off. So there's a supermarket near here. Let me just stop by and see if they have any minced beef. Oh, where would I put it though? I'll figure that out as we go along. But yeah, let's go and see if we can get the minced beef before we leave here, because I don't need to go Javi's school just yet. So yeah. Guys, I'm a teacher for a day and I'm already going crazy. Nothing, what's wrong? It has been an hour and I'm going crazy. I don't know how they do this. Yes, it's my first time being a teacher and it's so hard. You guys give a lot of talking. Yes, you do. Liana, you can't sit on her lap, baby. You have to come around the other side. Matthew and D'Angelo. Stop. No fighting. Okay, guys. Okay, boys on this side. The next letter is... The next letter is S. And we're gonna do names of people. Starting with D'Angelo. Names of people. S. saw. Turn around. Guys, I'm gonna be reading this book. Liana chose this book specifically for me to read. So I'll be reading this book for them. Yes, if you don't listen, you won't get any candy. Okay, have a seat, guys.
If you call them.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. On a bright. Alright, so this story is called 7 Sillies, right?
Yeah. 7 silly.
Yes, on a bright and shining morning, Pig looked into the pond. Look at Pig. This is Pig right here. Look at him. Are you seeing him?
Yes.
Okay.
He just
And Pig called over to Sheep. See, this is Sheep in the corner.
Wait.
Look
I
at
don't see the sheep. Oh, there's the
Look at
sheep.
it, guys. Are you seeing the sheep?
Yes, it's
Okay.
right there.
What do you see in the pond? Asked Pig. I see a pig and a sheep. Answered Sheep. Such a beautiful sheep. My voice is gone. I've been talking for an hour straight. You guys give a lot of talking. Did you guys know that? D'Angelo, don't worry. I'll get you another cheese stick. Are you hungry now? Alright, I'll get you something to eat, Charlie. Everybody has eaten? Everybody had something to eat?
Yes, and I'm gonna eat my sausage.
Sure, you can eat your sausage. Sure, you can have a water break. If you need a water, just go and take your water bottle.
I want a video.
So guys, I'm having ice cream. Hi. Can't even ask me to take up an ice cream, but I think this was like cotton candy flavor. So we're basically done for the day. Javi is, I don't even know where Javi is. I'm gonna grab him and we're gonna do it because your girl is tired. Like, these kids are so tiring. See, I'm gonna finish up my ice cream and then we're gonna leave. Hi guys, your girl is back, alright? And I am beat. I am so tired. As you guys can see, I spent the day with Javi at his class party. Go on, no man. True. I spent his class party with him, helping to like set up, feed the kids and stuff like that. What were you doing? Don't play with me, bro. I'm going to put on clothes. You didn't even have on the shirt. It is about to rain. Like, the clouds are just hovering. The cumulonimbus or the cumulus, whatever, rain clouds, they're legit hovering. But thank God that we made it home in time. I hope Jamir, can you turn on the tab a little, please?
What was that?
Could you turn on the tab a little, my love? Just until I'm done recording. So yeah guys, I wanted to do a little unboxing before I close out this video. As I said, I got Good Molecules goodies and they didn't tell me that they were sending me anything. So let me catch y'all up somewhere, maybe here, hopefully you can't see me, and let us do a little unboxing. Scissors. Where's the scissors, Boogsy? Good Molecules. Alright, let's go. Let's see what they sent your girl. I don't think I should open it like this, you know. I'm moving it from this side. Ooh, oh, this is the top. So this is it. Ooh, I know what this is. It's the brightening dark spot soap. I remember when they were just launching it, they did a little what do I call it? Like a little poll, trying to basically ask us to guess what we think the ingredients were. And I did go ahead and guess aloe vera. That was my guess at the time. Okay, so as you can see, they sent a little card, and this is basically one of their newest products on the, you know, Good Molecules line, and this is it. So this is the brightening soap, and as usual, the packaging is just so cute. Yes, my love?
Once you finish the video, can you make spaghetti?
Sure, my love. Okay. So it says it's the brightening and dark spots bar. It is formulated that T word, kojic acid, and it brightens and improves the appearance of skin discoloration. Of course, it's green and it smells like a soap. Kojic acid. Look at it, Bugsy. And I've been needing a face soap, guys. Listen,
Could Daddy was the only one that having the face soap?
yeah, and him no want nobody using face soap, so I've been needing a face soap. So it has other ingredients such as niacinamide, chlorophyll, grapeseed oil, like a bunch of good things for your skin. And I am loving this. So thank you, Good Molecules. And guys, you know Good Molecules is the plug when it comes to, you know, skincare that actually works, skincare that you actually see results. So I've been using it for about, call it 4 months, and I have seen a major difference in my skin, guys. I'm gonna show you a before and after comparison, before Good Molecules and after Good Molecules. And once you're consistent and you're keeping up with your skincare routine daytime and nighttime, trust me, you're gonna do great with the line of products that's Good Molecules has to offer. Like, they have your skin at like the center of their operations, no lie, and they just go so hard. And I love that they've added the soap to the lineup, so I am excited to try it. And of course, I'll do a little review later on, or maybe sometime next year, and let you guys know how it's holding up. So yeah, that's it for my little vlog day 14. I always say I go sleep, but I always end up doing something else other than sleep. I have a big weekend coming up, so very busy. The vlogs to come maybe a bit short, but just bear with me, guys. I'm doing the best I can, and I'm fully enjoying Vlogmas, so I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back every single day. Like, I know the OGs who keep coming back, and I just love and appreciate you guys so much. Like, you wouldn't even know what it does for me, because this is a journey that I embarked on before I had to stop, and I'm back again. So your kind words, your encouraging words, you just showing up for me is really encouraging, and it really motivates me to continue. And listen, your girl ain't going nowhere, so don't even worry about it. So thanks again for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and just join the fam, because it's all good vibes over here, nothing but positivity. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 15. Yeah, you're gonna want to stay tuned for day 15, guys. It's gonna be a real treat for you, okay? Trust me on that one. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye.